So good afternoon guys, we are here now. We finally arrived here in Mapawa Falls. Tingnan nyo naman guys, ang ganda ng water guys. Papunta doon sa may baba. Ayan guys oh. So grabe ang ganda. So sulit yung 2 oras na paglalakbay namin kasama yung friend ko na si Jeffrey. Day! Ayan guys. 2 hours from the city proper of Cagayan de Oro. So at least we were able to reach this far and witness this crystal clear water here in Mapawa. So what a worth experience guys. And we are surrounded by this huge tree right behind me and in front of me. Ayan guys. And there are some groups of people who are swimming down there in the waterfalls. Ayan guys. Ayan. So, thank you for watching my reel.